In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage coupons in your Acuity scheduling account, a great way to offer discounts to your clients and enhance their booking experience. First, let's get started by logging into your Acuity scheduling account. Once logged in, you'll find a navigation panel or a main menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, look for the option labeled Appointment Types. This is where you can manage the various kinds of services or sessions you offer. But today we're focusing on creating discounts, so let's keep moving. Once you've clicked on appointment types, you will see several tabs or options on your screen. Among these, you'll want to find the Coupons tab. This section is crucial for setting up promotional codes and discounts for your clients, so go ahead and click on Coupons. Here you'll find an organized space for all your current coupons if you have any, but since we're focusing on adding a new one, find and click on the button labeled New Coupon for Appointments. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to tailor discounts according to your business needs. Now, let's craft your new coupon code. In the appropriate field, enter the specific code you want to create. It's helpful to keep in mind that your coupon code should be easy to remember and relevant to your promotion. Next, you'll specify the kind of discount you want this coupon to offer. You have flexibility here because Acuity allows you to choose between a percentage discount or a flat dollar amount. Consider your pricing and what would appeal most to your clients when making this decision. With the discount set, it's important to consider how often and widely the coupon can be used. You can set usage limits, determining whether the coupon is available for unlimited use, just one time per client, or has a total number of uses available. This step can help manage your promotions effectively and ensure that they meet your business goals. After setting usage limitations, think about the services or appointments to which you'd like to apply this discount. You have the option to apply the coupon to specific appointment types or to make it available for any appointment type. This flexibility is useful for targeted promotions or broad campaigns. Finally, consider whether or not you want to set an expiration date for your coupon. An expiration date can create urgency and encourage clients to book sooner rather than later, so it's worth considering as part of your promotional strategy. Once you've entered all the necessary information, reviewed your choices, and ensured everything aligns with your goals, go ahead and click the Save Coupon button. This action will finalize the creation of your coupon, making it available for use according to the parameters you've set. And that's it! You've successfully created a coupon in Acuity Scheduling. Now you can offer enticing discounts to help bring in more clients and enhance your scheduling capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!